So here's the Angularizer tool. It's like a combination ruler, and you get 4 rulers. 2 are marked 10, 2 are center mirror rulers that go from 0 to 2.5. And you can take these apart and spin them around if you want. Metric on the inside. So the short side is always going to be 0 in the middle. So if you want to compare the center point, see, I have this tool and I want to know where the center is, I can just like so, and then the center point's at 0. You can also lock it at 0 here and 0 here, and then I can draw parallel lines. If I want a 1/2 inch parallel line, just need to lock it in there, 1 inch, and then once you have that, you can just draw the parallel lines and then align it, draw it more. Very, very easy. You can also use this as a divider or caliper type tool. So I've got metric here. I'm not going to take it apart to put standard, but I'll lock this right here at 0. So this is aligned to 0. Then anything I stick in there, I can measure how thick it is, like this tool again. Put it right there. There we go. It's 1.6 centimeters. You can also use this as a angle transfer tool. It's a little harder for me to move this because this is a ESD top rubber desk, so if you've got melamine or laminate or something, it'll be a lot easier. So here's a reference tool for measuring angles, but as you can see, I can go ahead and transfer the angle with this. Now I've got the angle. If I want to draw it or check, I can do that. So it's basically one of these type deals. Of course, you can always take it apart and make this exact tool with this, so that's nice. And also it expands really, really big, so if you want to measure a distance of something and lock it in there, you can do it with the trammels. But if I'd want to make, farther than this, I would need to either move the trammel or get a bigger bar. But this you can just take apart and you can glue these two together with the nut, and then you get like a 20-inch bar. That's plenty big to measure anything. So there you go. It's got a lot of uses. Just can't measure angles. You'll need a protractor or something.